Hi, grade 8. Today, in this lesson, we will be studying the negative health impact of drinking alcohol. Let's begin to answer the pre-test direction. Read the question carefully. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Alcohol affects what parts of the body? A. Brain, B. Bones, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter C, both A and B. Number 2. When one drinks too much alcohol, this organ will not be able to filter poisons or toxins properly and can be damaged. A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Stomach, D. Intestines. The correct answer is A. Liver. Number 3. What does underage drinking have to do with your brain? A. It develops more quickly. B. Nothing at all. C. Affects brain growth. D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter C, affects brain growth. Number 4. What is BAC? A. Blood alcohol concentration, B. Blood alcohol creation, C. Blood alcohol center, D. Blood acid concentration. The correct answer is letter A, blood alcohol concentration. Number 5. What is a hangover? A. Severe headache, B. After effects of drinking alcohol, C. Long-term exposure to alcohol, D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D, all of the above. Do you still remember our previous topic about cigarette smoking? Let's have a recap. Find the capitalized words in the box on the right. Number 1. Nicotine is a drug. Number 2. Smoking causes cancer. Number 3. Just say no to cigarette smoking. Number 4. Cigarettes contain tobacco, nicotine, and even rat poison. 5. If you know someone who smokes, tell them to quit. Time's up. Do we have the same answer? Let's check your work. Number 1. The word is drug. Number 2. The word is cancer. Number 3. The word is cigarette. Number 4. The words are nicotine and poison. And number 5. The word is quit. Very good. Now let us proceed with our topic. One of the most commonly used and convenient legal drug is alcohol, which can be confusing for all ages, particularly to young students. This lesson will help students understand why alcohol can be dangerous. They will know about the effects of alcohol on the body. The following are some common effects of drinking alcohol, especially for young people like you. Although a person may not be abusing alcohol regularly, they can still experience its short-term effects on the mind and body. It includes the following. Since alcohol is a depressant, it can slow the breathing, leading to a lack of oxygen to the brain. This can lead to alcohol poisoning. Signs of intoxication: physical and mental changes that the body is experiencing upon consuming alcohol. Alcohol toxicity: the amount of alcohol in the blood exceeds a certain level. Alcohol intolerance: some people will feel unwell immediately after drinking alcohol. Hangover: physical effect that give discomfort after drinking too much. You get a hangover because the ethanol in the drink causes increased urine production, leading to dehydration, and hangover can last up to 24 hours. Drinking too much or too often can lead to physical and mental health problems, include poor school performance, lost productivity, accidents, social problems, family problems, and unemployment. Continued alcohol use in large amounts can cause to the development of chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, cardiomyopathy, irregular heartbeat. Pancreatitis is an inflammation of the pancreas that impairs digestion. Bone deficiency: alcohol abuse can cause a calcium imbalance in the body, which is an important nutrient to maintain healthy bones. Brain stroke: a non-communicable disease which affects the arteries that carries blood to the brain, resulting to brain damage due to toxin substance. Cancer: drinking any kind of alcohol can damage your system and prevents your body from repairing the damage. Cirrhosis: it is a late stage of scarring of liver caused by many forms of liver diseases. Fatty liver occurs when too much fat builds up in liver cells. Heavy drinking makes you more likely to get it. This makes it harder for your liver to work. The body absorbs alcohol relatively quickly, but it takes longer to get the alcohol out of the body. If a person consumes large amounts of alcohol regularly, their tolerance can increase and the body requires more alcohol to achieve the desired effect. Therefore, we have to know what is BAC, or blood alcohol concentration. It is also called BAL, or blood alcohol level. It is the amount of alcohol that has entered a person's bloodstream. It is expressed as the weight of ethanol in grams per 100 ml of blood. Now we learn that alcohol is very dangerous into our health. It also has a negative impact to our family, community, and country. Therefore, it's time to help young people understand that it is not okay to drink alcohol. Let's answer the following questions with your own understanding. Number 1, what kinds of alcohol do you know? Is it safe to drink varieties of alcohol? What are the effects of drinking alcohol? Number 2, as a student, what is the better way to prevent drinking alcohol? We have to remember, drinking alcohol can harm the growing body and brain. That's why it's important for young people to grow up alcohol-free. It takes every adult in the community to help young people choose not to drink alcohol. Before we end the lesson, let's answer the post test. Read the question carefully. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Alcohol is what type of drug? A. Stimulant, B. Hallucinogens, C. Depressant, D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter C. Depressant. Number 2. Which is a long-term effect of alcohol? A. Cirrhosis of the liver, B. Loss of coordination, C. Nausea, D. Blackout. The correct answer is letter A. Cirrhosis of the liver. Number 3. Which is a reason that kids and teens begin to drink alcohol? A. See their parents do it, B. Want to seem cool, C. Peer pressure, D. All are correct. The correct answer is letter D. All are correct. Number 4. The definition of alcoholism is A. Person who does not drink, B. Person who drinks only once a day, C. Disease where someone drinks poison, D. Disease which a person has a physical and psychological need for alcohol. The correct answer is letter D. Disease which a person has a physical and psychological need for alcohol. Number 5. Define cirrhosis. A. Physical effects of alcohol, B. The result of short-term exposure to alcohol, C. Damage to physical health caused by alcohol, letter D. Deadly disease that replaces healthy liver tissue with useless scar tissue. The correct answer is letter D. Deadly disease that replaces healthy liver tissue with useless scar tissue. The important thing to keep in mind is just say no to drugs. Be smart, don't start. And that's all for today.